So, hi everyone. Today we will be talking about the best vibe coding AI tools. So, if you don't know, vibe coding was recently coined by the OG AI scientist Andrej Karpathy, where he mentioned that without even knowing programming, you can now build out applications, softwares, and whatnot with just prompting the AI models. So, what are the best tools for vibe coding? Let's get started. So, everyone's favorite Cursor takes the top spot. AI powered VS Code alternate, which can help you in smart completion, autonomous coding, etc. A lot of features are present there. The next best is GitHub CoPilot by GitHub, an AI pair programmer build apps from basic language. You can just prompt build me a website and it should be able to build that. Both of these have a free trial, so I would suggest you to try them out. The next one are Lovable.dev and Bolt. No code platform. I think Lovable is also quite similar to Cursor and GitHub, but basically for super based backend. And Bolt is a browser based full stack prototyping platform. It is not a software, it is a website where you can go, and it also helps you in quick prototyping. The next set is SoftGen no code tool for production ready Fired Stripe. So basically, it is a no code tool and basically used for production ready websites. While Google Firebase Studio is launched very recently, if you have heard, and it is backed by generates Firebase rules. So if you know, Firebase Studio is owned by Google now. This is a AI based application built over it. So you can it also provides you with quick deployment applications as well. So not Cursor and GitHub doesn't provide you with deployment based facilities, but Firebase does. Do remember this. The other two major ones are Tempo and V0 by Vercel, also basically for React builders. And the last but not the least, my personal favorite is Replit. As you can see, so Replit is also very similar to what we have for Firebase Studio, which also provide you with quick prototyping as well as deployment also. So I think not all these tools provide you with deployment facilities, just a few of them. Now let's compare these tools. As you can see here, Cursor is AI powered IDE. Strengths are full control and smart context. When to use? You want an AI coder that respects your style. It can copy your style. Do remember this. Talking about Copilot, dev workflows in existing code bases. I think when you are working with real world problems, I think GitHub Copilot should be your go to solution. It gives you with boilerplate test writing as well, and working in large projects with lots of grunt work. GitHub Copilot should be your go-to solution this time, not Cursor. Cursor is good, but once you are trying to scale it up, I think I have faced some issues. GitHub Copilot is comparatively better. Talking about Replit, team prototyping and education, I think multiple collaborators can come into picture. No setup is required. It provides you with a built-in deployment as well, as already mentioned. Building fast in browser with friends or students. You can collaborate. It is a browser-based IDE. Lovable.dev, no code MVPs. You can create your first MVP without writing a single line of code. English to app, visual UI is pretty good. Got an idea but don't want to learn how to code. I think all these are following the same lines, but for me the standouts are Cursor, Copilot, and Replit, because Replit provides you with a deployment facility as well. Now talking about the remaining of them, Bolt is fast, is happy for prototyping fast, but not good if you are going with a complex solution. V0 is more for React, Tailwind, and Figma integration. Tempo, Visual React Editor. So these two are specific for React. SoftGen is Firebase plus Stripe support. Need full stack power without touching the code. And Firebase Studio, backend code generation. Firestore plus Cloud Function scaffolding. AI assisted serverless backend scaffolding. So these are some basic features of these all these tools that I've used. Some of them I'm not able to use till now, Tempo and SoftGen, to be honest. Firebase, Cursor I have used, and now we will be comparing all these tools together, which one to use when. Speed prototyping, Bolt, Replit, Lovable, any day. Non-technical builders, Lovable and SoftGen. AI powered coding, you wish to have Cursor, GitHub Copilot, any day. Front-end UI design, V0 and Tempo. Team collaboration, Replit and Tempo. And code automation and refactoring, Cursor and GitHub again. So if you have these the use cases, I think the go-to vibe coding tool would be these. So I hope this video was useful for you. This is a very quick introduction to all these tools. You should go and play around with them. These are the prominent ones in the internet right now. You can start off with Cursor, then switch to GitHub, try out with Replit, Tempo, V0 by Vercel, Lovable, Bolt. Everyone provides with a free trial, so do try them all and use whatever is works for you. Thank you so much. I hope this was useful.